I really don't know why it was demolished. Do you any of you guys know about this? Please let me know in the comment section because I want to know. Hello good people, this is Tanya welcoming on the channel just like that, and today just while scrolling my social media account I found a devastating video, and then I found out it's the video of India. It's the first huge demolition in India. So I really don't know the reason of it. I just want to grab the information from all of you, so I thought let's watch it here and ask from you all. So allow me to play. So it's a huge building. Did they use something explosive to demolish this? Because I think they took some precaution as well, because they covered the building around that area. How it just grazed on the ground. Such a massive explosion, man. See, the birds are flying. I think they are feeling terrible. Oh. So much smoke. Oh, this might have created a huge pollution. Oh, I hope everyone is safe there. I mean, it just took some seconds to just demolish this building. I mean, after Twin Tower, I just saw this video, and it's so destructive. I really don't know why it was demolished. Do you any of you guys know about this? Please let me know in the comment section because I want to know, because it's little bit destructive not only for that building, it's for that surrounding area na? And also you guys might have noticed that birds were flying. I feel like they were not feeling safe because I don't know, it was for the people or it was for something another reason. I literally want to know about it. Please let me know in the comment section, and please always stay with us and like our videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. So definitely coming up with another video so soon. So till then, stay safe, stay tuned with Just Like That. Thank you.